Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make a beautiful kiss canvas. It's a fun and personal art project that anyone can create. First, gather your essential supplies. You'll need a blank canvas, some acrylic paints for a base, and a selection of your favorite lipsticks. Don't forget a small paintbrush for touch-ups and a clean, flat surface to work on. Having a mirror nearby can also be very helpful for precise lipstick application. Let's get started on this lovely creation. Now that you have all your materials, let's prepare your canvas. Begin by applying a smooth, even base coat of acrylic paint. A light color, such as white or a soft cream, often works best as it provides excellent contrast for your lipstick prints. Use a wide brush or roller for an even application. It's crucial to let this base coat dry completely, which usually takes about 30 minutes to 1 hour, depending on the paint thickness. Patience here ensures a perfect foundation. Thoughtful design and consistent care are key to lasting beauty. Group plants with similar water and light needs to optimize resources. Introduce focal points, such as a striking plant or a decorative element, to draw the eye. Regular pruning encourages vigorous new growth and helps maintain desired plant shapes. Applying a 2 to 4 inch layer of mulch retains soil moisture and effectively suppresses weeds, reducing maintenance efforts. Once all your beautiful kiss prints are on the canvas, the final step is to protect your artwork. It's very important to let all the lipstick dry completely. This can take several hours, so it's often best to let it sit overnight. After it's thoroughly dry, apply a clear sealant spray. Hold the can about 10 to 12 inches away and apply 2 thin, even coats, allowing each to dry. This will preserve your canvas for years to come. Now, find the perfect spot to display your personalized art.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.